Alright, let's go ahead and learn about the positive powers of 10. We're going to go about looking at the power of a number, the technique that I like to use for positive powers of 10, and then we're going to look at some examples together. So the power of a number indicates how many times the number multiplies itself. So 5 squared is 5 multiplied by 5. 7 to the power of 4 is 7 4 times. So you multiply 4 times. So let's go ahead and look at the technique that I like to use. When you have positive powers of 10, the first thing you want to do is write the number 1. Then you take note of the power. So it's going to be, so remember that the power is going to be written in this form, 10 to the power of x. So you take note of the value x, and then you add a number of zeros to the right of 1 that matches the number x. Let's look at a few examples together. So what we're saying here is 10 to the power of 3. I'm going to write the number 1 first, and then I'm going to take note of this 3 and write as many numbers, as many zeros. So I'm going to write 0, 0, 0. So that means 10 to the power of 3 is the same as 1,000. So that's what the technique is. Now the second one, 10 to the power of 6, I'm going to write the number 1. Then I'm going to take note of the power 6 right here, and then I'm going to write as many zeros as that power. So I'm going to write 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to count and put my commas. So 10 to the power of 6 is 1 million. Okay, let's look at another example. Now it says write 100,000 as a power of 10. So we always start with, remember that this is the reverse. Remember, initially we say you write a 1 and then you'll take note of the number of zeros and write that many number of zeros. Now if we're going to go the reverse, I'm going to start with 10 and then I'm going to count the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is going to be my power right there. Okay. Then final example, 1 million. So we're going to write 10. Let's count how many zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We write 6. So 10 to the power of 6 is 1 million.